So we went to the venue, which was the Western Hotel, and it was really nice. It was really nice. I think what happened was they had like certain pictures on their website, and we looked at that, and then we were like comparing the price, and we thought that it was specifically for the one that we were looking at, but it actually wasn't. So we ended up looking at a different ballroom that they had there, and it was just not in our budget, to be completely honest with you. So the search continues, and you know, that's just how it goes. But we were supposed to go to another venue, what was that, Saturday evening, but the weather was so bad. It was like icing and sleeting and stuff like that, so we didn't really take a chance in traveling to that. But today is Monday, and we have the day off. I believe it's President's Day, so we have the day off. So I just finished filing my taxes because I had to get that done. Excuse my face, guys. I literally tried my best to take off my makeup last night. Yes, so I finished filing my taxes this morning. Well, actually, no. I got up, I made some coffee, I made some breakfast, and then I was like, you know what, let me go ahead, because I'd already started plugging in my taxes and stuff like earlier this last week, but I was waiting for something else, and so I was like, okay, once I have that, I can just go ahead and wrap it up. So I wrapped that up today. That's done. So now I'm about to go to the grocery store because I need a few things. And I don't know if it's just me. You guys can definitely share and tell me if you go to the grocery store and you swear you get everything that is on your list, everything you need that can hold you at least like 2 weeks, but you ended up having to go back like every week. I feel like I'm in the grocery store maybe once or twice a week, because it's like I end up running out of something that wasn't initially on the list, and I'm like, dag, that wasn't on the list. I have to go back because I need that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get just a few things, and later on I'm gonna cook dinner. I'm going to make chicken tortilla soup. Has become my favorite soup lately. I made it only one time, but it kind of like lasted us a good couple days, and because I'm trying to eat a little healthier and a little lighter, I felt like chicken tortilla soup would be a perfect option. You know, it's tasty and it's pretty nutritious if you eat it without the tortillas, but the tortillas make it. So yeah, so all I did like was just put my headband wig back on, and I do this little thing where this is actually a different headband, not the one that came with the wig. So I just like get the ones that kind of cover the back. I don't know if you guys can see. Kind of cover the back and make it look kind of natural. And then I do this little ponytail or like bun, and then I'll leave like the curls out just to give it, you know, a look. And so that's how I've really been wearing my hair. Like if I go somewhere, I haven't really been wearing my natural hair just because I just don't really want to wear short hair. So it's just not the mood. So I do have another wig coming, but I'm going to make it so that I do a review on it. I don't know if I'm gonna do an unboxing, but I'm definitely going to do a review on the wig. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the store. I'm actually gonna clean up the room really quick before I leave. So that's what I will end the video with. Yeah, thank you guys for stopping by and supporting my channel. To all my old subscribers, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting me. And my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.